Hi, my name is Jan and I'm working as a service technician at Eurolaser. It is my job to travel around the world, and whenever it's possible, I will take the advantage to discover places and cities like Sydney, Seoul, Taipei, or places like Niagara Falls or Loch Ness. Beside of my job, I'm a do-it-yourself hobbyist. I really like to do things, and I found the laser the perfect tool to realize my private projects, like converting my van into a camper van, building and flying high-power model rockets, or crafting decoration for home and garden. I'm a model maker, and with my job here I realized that our laser machines will help me to realize my private projects using different kinds of materials like wood, acrylics, leather, in a fast and easy and convenient way. So the intentionally small idea of doing my private stuff on our machines has grown to a big passion of mine that I really like to share with you. In my new series, LaserIt by Jan, which I created together with Eurolaser, you can expect short videos to show you the amazing potential of our laser machines by showing some of my private projects. If you're curious about my projects, subscribe to me and the Eurolaser channel to not miss out any episode of LaserIt. I'm really looking forward to these videos and your feedback.